Okay, I got a closer view. He's so cute. It looks like he emptied his cheeks. Maybe not. The little chipmunk came back here. Once again, do something. Do something cute. Look, he moved. Such a cutie patootie. Oh my goodness. Let me go back to the bedroom. We can get him better close up. Maybe. How cute. Let me try in the bedroom again. Oh, there's the chickadee. Oh, chickadee disappeared pretty quick. Oh, there he is. And I hear the woodpecker. Oh, look, we've got a starling. Huh. We've got a starling and a squirrel. And I hear the woodpecker. There's the chickadee. See, the chickadee has put the nut in the tree and he's banging it open. I hear those woodpeckers. They're up front, I think. Back to the starling. Let's go check on that chipmunk. Chipmunk is already back by his home. Ah, oh, dang it, I missed him going in. So I put the food up against the base of the trees because I like the way it looks with the squirrels when they eat with their backs up to the trees. It's like they're using the tree as a chair. I don't know, I just thought it was cute. The squirrel is a regular visitor. We shall end on the chickadee. This chickadee has been a constant staple of the bird watching. Not sure where he went. There he is. Cutie patootie.